I'm doing a Tunisian tiny clusters. For this stitch pattern, you're going to be pulling up loops in the foundation row just like you would normally, but you're going to close them differently because it's going to be a lace. So you'll need a multiple of 3, then add 2. Now, to close this first row, chain 2. 1, 2. Now yarn over and pull through 4 loops on your hook. Now be sure to count the first loop as a loop on your hook. This one up here is still counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When you close 3, you're actually pulling through 4 loops. So yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4. That closed 3 stitches. Now repeat that. Chain 2 and pull through 4. 2, 3, 4. Chain 2 and pull through 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2 and pull through 4. 2, 3, 4. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to chain 1 and then pull through that last one. Now this is just going to be, after you finish this foundation, this is just going to be a repeat of row 1. So I'm going to show you row 1, and that's going to be the same repeat throughout your entire project. So what you do here is you skip the first vertical bar right here, and you work into the top loop of the chain, then the back loop of the chain, and the top loop of the next 2 chains. So you're going to work 2 top loops and 1 back loop. That is the repeat here. 2 top loops. Whoops, missed that one. 1, 2, and 1 back loop. And 1, and 2, and 1 back loop. Now to end, stitch into the top loop and then stitch into the stitch itself. Now we're going to close just like we did the foundation. Chain 2, 1 and 2, then pull through 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, and close the last stitch. And that is all you're going to do. It's very simple. I could just do this again. Top loop, back loop, and then the repeat here. Top loop, top loop. This one is really easy. It's a simple lace that's the easiest to do. It's just, and it's such a beautiful result. Top loop, and then back, and then just keep doing that. The trick here is to make sure that you're closing with those little clusters or shells together. You'll find all of the text instructions, the symbols, and the symbol chart, and the video at my website. This is the Tunisian Tiny Clusters Stitch, CrochetKim.com.